there be a storm brewing.
Yep, we're trying to sit and wait for a fireworks that may or may not go on.
No, they happen.
We will
just get
see.
Postponed.
And if they get postponed, we might not see them because this one wants to go on Space Mountain again. Let that fester.
You know what? We went on Haunted Mansion twice.
And it was crazy today. So what Tomorrowland looks like when a storm is incoming.
Oh, the ducks are enjoying the rain.
Right. And scary. And thunder and lightning. And rain. Just craziness.
Keeping hands, arms,
we have now gone to the Peoplemover, which is a good ride to be on when it's raining.
Stay clear of the doors.
We don't go outside.
Get ready. It's going to pick up speed here in just a second.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga sus manos, brazos del vehículo. Y cuida a sus niños.
Here we go.
This is the TTA Blue Line, non-stop service around Tomorrowland.
Let's see what Tomorrowland looks like at nighttime. There's Space Mountain right over there.
Greetings, intergalactic travelers. Welcome aboard the Peoplemover, presented by Enterprise.
They're strong.
I'm Borak 5, your guide aboard this highway in the sky. The absolute best way to see Tomorrowland. And my stars, is there ever lots to see? Spacecraft to monster labs. There's really nothing like today in Tomorrowland.
You can see the raindrops coming down from the lights.
For your safety, if you have wings, jetpacks, or gravity polarizers, please do not take flight while on board. Thank you.
The next station is Tomorrowland Urban Planning and Star Traders. Transfer to green and red lines.
Don't worry, your express train keeps on rolling.
There's that castle.
Right by two of my favorite spots.
Katie at night.
Are you ready for the big drop?
Progress City. Walt Disney ideas throughout Walt Disney World. Look, there's even a tiny Peoplemover. I wonder if that means there's a tiny ORAC. On your right is Star Traders, home to the greatest goods in the galaxy. Except actual stars. Those are no longer sold.
And we're back in Tomorrowland. Now we're going to have an even better view of
Approaching
Tron.
Tomorrowland Speedway and Tron Light Cycle Run.
I love a good circuit, and these are two of the best tracks in the cosmos for a bit of light, speedy competition.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy M31. Please keep forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
It's really cool at night.
Very cool night. We're going in space now.
That was a lot of lightning.
This is Star
Oh, it is raining.
And you said it wasn't gonna rain.
Better than sitting out there in that big open area.
I don't want rain.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy M31. Please keep forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank
To
you.
your right is the Astro Orbiter, our celestial symbol of interplanetary harmony and fellowship. Hop aboard and launch high above Tomorrowland for a spin amongst the planets.
Downpouring in Disney. People running for their lives. All because of hard rain. Well, it's Orlando. That's what happens. For dessert, we've got a whole bunch of different things here. You got a sprinkled cupcake. We'll zoom out a little bit. Birthday cupcake, chocolate chip cookie, sugar cookie. See what we got over here. Everyone's going. Silk pie, cookies and cream, tres leches, devil's chocolate pudding, butterscotch pudding, crunch bar, cheeses, blends. Looks like the second side over here is the same. We got a whole bunch of different drinks. Oh, pog juice, there you go. We got some coffee, hot tea, and then we've got some liquor selections here. A lot of good stuff. Gonna be pretty good. So we went ahead and we grabbed a whole bunch of different stuff. You probably can't hear too well because the fireworks finally decided to go off and it's still downpouring. But we got a little bit of everything. We got key lime, there's some different donuts. They have this like hot chocolate pudding. There's butterscotch pudding.
And then
So many different types of pudding.
popcorn on top of the butterscotch.
They have like a little chocolate push pop.
That tres leches.
A little tiny thing here, tres leches cupcake. They got an apple yummy thing. They got cheese and pistachio.
I think that's called an apple crepe.
Probably. It's way too late. I'm tired. They got chocolate cookies, cupcakes, chocolate covered strawberries, pog juice, which is really
What
good.
was this guy again?
It's a chocolate push pop. Put it in your mouth, you push it up. They have all this fun stuff here. But my wife did her best to go out and film, as you can see, completely soaked. On the other hand, decided to stay here because I've seen my fair share of fireworks over the years, so I'm good.
So their little push pop that they had, I love the invention of it. It was like chocolate cake and whipped topping and chocolate cake and whipped topping and then little chocolate pearls on top. It's a very simple chocolate cake with whipped cream. I just love the idea of pushing it up. And it's like portable and it's pretty simple. The birthday cake bite, the birthday cake, little chocolate covered thing, it's a basic birthday cake. You can get that anywhere. The tres leches cupcake was to die for. That was super yummy. I'm trying to show you. Like moist cake in the middle and then the whipped topping and coconut. It was super like tropical tasting. Very yummy. This little fireman's donut with the strawberry topping. Took a bite. Not a fan of it. It just doesn't taste very good. Sorry.
Try the pistachio one.
Let's see. It's crunchy. It is very crunchy on the inside, but it's got a good texture to it. It's very yummy. That was actually one when we tried to go back to the dessert bar. It is one that's already gone. So a very interesting thing for pistachio, a very interesting idea for dessert, and it's gone. So, but other than that, they had fruit and cheese and little baguettes to put it on. But overall good. But the good thing is the pog cheese right there. So.
Well, also for me, you know, it's not going to be a cookie eating or anything unless, yeah, you know, we're chugging the milk. Down the hatch. Update, we just had a party foul here.
I'm so tired.
This cheese just went into the pog juice because she thought the same colors should be together.
That's not why.
She is out of it. All right, you've been cut off. No more pog juice for you.
And the ferry boats and buses to
Beautiful
the left side
castle
of
at
the
nighttime.
exit.
So
Please
pretty,
follow
purple and
posted
pink and
signage,
blue.
or ask a cast member for directions for the monorails,
Now we have Main
ferry
Street.
boats, and buses.
All lit up
Have
at
a
night.
Magical night.
So pretty. One more look at the castle. Until next time.
All right, guys, that will do it for us tonight. That was a really long day with a lot of stuff there, but we're both tired. We had a lot of food.
Exhausted.
Wet. Now we got to get to the buses. It's going to take a bit, but I hope you all had a great day. We got another fun day planned tomorrow with Epcot with some fun surprises, so we'll let you know about that tomorrow. But for right now, Magic Kingdom, Ben Mayer, God and Nat. See you next time. Bye.